All right, good morning. I want to welcome you guys today. My name is Titus. I'm the co-founder and the CFI of Youth Aviators. So we expand kids' minds, one takeoff at a time. So we do after school with Opus, right? And what school do you go to?
Village Academy.
Village Academy. So we have the after school program in Opus. It's Village Academy, and we want to thank Opus for partnering up with us. So I'm going to let my girl here give an introduction and a shout out.
Hi, I'm Haylee.
Okay, where you from, Haylee? Hey, talk louder into the mic. Send your voice to the mic. Go ahead. Speak a little louder.
I'm from Queens.
She's a little nervous. Her first time flying today, guys. All right, give a wave. We'll see you on the taxi out. All right, peace. One finger here for a brace. Now, move it in a little bit. All right. Go to brakes. Now go to brakes. Now go to brakes. All right. So we're gonna taxi with our feet, right? We want to move this. Keep this at 1,000. Hand on the flight yoke. One hand on the flight. All right. So now our rudders make us go left and right. Okay. Good. All right. Push the right one and stay on the line. Good. Good. Come off it a little bit. Not too hard. Don't push the brake yet. So you want to keep the line. Can you see the line out there? Look outside. Can you see the line? You want to keep that in between your feet, okay? Haylee?
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So keep your feet on the rudders. Pull us back just a little bit. Remember, always have a hand in for a brace. No. Like use that. Now pull back to 1,000. Pull it back. Good. Just 1,000. All right. That's cool. A little bit. Went too far. All right. That's cool. A little bit more. So clear right, no plane. Clear left. We're gonna be turning left, okay? So push the left. Wait. Push the left rudder in. Go ahead. Good. Good job. Now come off it a little bit because you want to keep it in between your feet, right? Good. A bit more. Good job. All right, guys. So Haylee's doing an excellent job taxiing for her first day. I'm impressed. I must say. But keep the line between your feet. Good. All right, guys, so we over here at the run-up area, and Charlie run-up area. We're going to do a quick run-up, and then we'll join back with you guys and continue taxiing. All right, guys, we got a runway change, so we're going to 2 now. So we're taxiing out to the runway. We see you guys on takeoff over there. All right, guys, we made it up here to the hold short, where we're holding short 3-2 at Delta. Here waiting. Haylee did an excellent job taxiing for her very first. Also, give us some love, right? So, speaking of love, do you have anybody you want to give a shout out to? Your mom? Anything like that? Dad?
Wind 270.
Hi, Mom. We here, Mom. What about anybody else? Your sisters, brothers, any siblings? Dad?
Wind 270,
Hi,
1 tree, gust 190.
Hey, Hazel.
Hi, Calvin.
Calvin, what's up, baby?
Get the takeoff circle.
We here.
Just give this guy a little room.
That's
up to you.
We about to take off in a minute. So first time flying, guys. I'm so excited.
Romeo, 3-2 line up and wait traffic, tomorrow final.
Line will wait to a Romeo. All right.
So 618
All right.
uniform.
Do a little bit of power so we can move up. Turn on your lights on with the other hand. Move up. Go ahead.
All of them?
All of them. Yep. Light. Say lights.
Lights.
Camera. Say camera. Action. All right. He gave us a lot of weight clearance. Keep your feet on the ground. Today, keep your feet on the ground. Yep. Today, I'll do.
Romeo, northeast side of Blue, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff to a Romeo. All right, guys. Here we go. All right. I'm going to tell you to push this all the way in, okay? Hand on the flight yoke.
7 Charlie Romeo.
And full power. Full power all the way in.
See it a couple days.
All the way. Look outside. All the way in. All the way. All the way. Hold it. All right. When the airspeed come on, say airspeed alive to me. Say airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
Good. When we get to 55, we're going to start pulling back slowly. Okay, pull back. No, not this. Pull the flight yoke to you. Flight yoke, good. Okay, look outside. Keep that in. All right, we in the air. All right, we off.
Oh my God.
All right, so look, we're going to start turning to the right. So start banking. Good, right there. That's good. That's enough. Get it all the way in. So just use your finger. Go like that. So you ain't got to use so much stress. All right. So you see them stacks, them red and white stacks over there?
I think so.
Yep, right there. So we turn into that. Good. Right now, we're how high are we off the ground? Altitude. 1,100 feet. You see it? Good. Keep your hand on that. And we climbing out at 10 degrees, and we doing 80 knots. And look, over the ground, we're doing 100 miles an hour if we was in a car. Okay? A good view, is it not?
Yeah, it's really fun actually.
Yeah, hold that flight, yo. You flying, not me.
Wind 25012.
Hold that flight, yo. All right, guys. Hey, we over the Northport Stack, so Haylee is gonna do some ups, some downs. We'll do some turns, left and right. Get her a feel for the plane. All right, pull the power back a little bit. Okay, good, good. So keep the plane nice and level. All right, good job. All right, now trim. I'm working a trim tab right now, so to keep the plane nice.
Yankee gonna echo.
All right. So let's turn a little bit to the right, bank, which is bank 5, 15, 30 degrees. So we're going to bank 5 degrees. All right, the first notch right there, good. See? And to the right. Give a smile on Haylee's face, guys. That's why we do this. All right, good. We at 2,500, right? So pull the nose up a little bit towards you. Good to stay level so we don't keep going down. All right, good. Now we're going to go fly out here.
We're ready for departure.
We'll do some easy turns. All right, now, I want you to push the rudders, right? So we're going to do the left rudder. So push the left rudder in. You got to push it in and compensate with that. You got to push as far as you can with your feet. So hold this like this to keep it level. Right, keep it level. Okay, hold it. Keep it level. Look outside. Push as far as you can. What's the plane doing? You see how it's turning, right? Well, with the rudder, go to the right side, all the way. Right, good, keep it level. Haylee, good job. Push as far as you can with your foot. Go ahead. Push level. Don't let the plane look unlevel. Up, turn this, keep pushing. Good, keep it. Good job. So what we're working here on Haylee is rudder control. Good job, Haylee. Don't go up though. Let the plane go up. Keep it nice and level. Good. All right. Now come off your foot. Make it back center. Now, I'm gonna do it. Right. You guys ready? So just guys, now watch me. Watch this.
If I let go of everything?
You gotta put your feet down and watch me use the rudder. Look. See the rudder? Look what I'm doing. Look. Look how it's turning like a fish, right? Look, I got the on this. Look. Right? See that? Now, if I do that, that's yaw on the plane. This is banking. That? See how it's different? See how we banking the plane now?
Yeah.
Right. Put your thumb here so you can like better. All right. Bank right. Gotta bank it. Good. See that? Good. Now bank left. One hand. Bank left. Go ahead. Good job. Bank all the way left. Drop that. Make that wing. That wing. See that?
Yeah.
Now turn. Now pull back as you turn. Right there. Yep. Keep it. Hold it right there. So now we're doing a 360.
Oh.
All right. Don't pull. Keep pulling too hard. Yep. Right there.
The water looks so pretty from here.
It's dope, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll catch you back over at Tweed. Peace.
Oh.
All right, guys. We back. We did a whole bunch of cool maneuvers. Some of it you saw. Now we're gonna go land over here at Tweed and switch up. I'm gonna make a call out right here. Tweed Tower, Skyhawk November 232 at Romeo is 2200 to your south, inbound full stop with Charlie.
232 Romeo, report right down in runway 20.
Right down in runway 20 to at Romeo. Keep it on 23. All right, cool. A good job. We'll be flying straight out that way. Hey, landing lights, taxi lights on. Awesome. Good job. Can you see the runway over there, the airport? You see like that strip? You see that brown dirt right there? Like how it's open and it's brown?
I think so, yeah.
Like the gray long strip? Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's the runway.
That's where we're going?
Yep.
Okay.
Romeo will enter the right now.
Hey, Romeo, runway 20, clear to land.
You say clear to land?
Clear to land.
28 Romeo. Say 28 Romeo.
28 Romeo.
Hey, good. See the runway? We landed.
Oh.
Yeah, other side of the runway. All right, give me a little bit of power. Right? Push a little bit. You okay? So when I tell you to pull this out slowly, pull it all the way back as far as you can, all right? All right? All right, when I tell you to pull us all the way out slowly, pull it all the way back. All right, now, go ahead. All the way back towards us. We're going to follow up. Down. Alright guys, so we want to thank you guys for flying with us. Once again, we appreciate you guys. We hope you give us, please, like and subscribe because it means a lot to us when we do it. We're going to let Haylee say peace out, say a little few closing words.
Bye.
You enjoy your flight?
Yeah.
It was fun, right? See, she enjoyed it, guys. We thank you guys. And either this side or that side, we're going to have another video so you can just click and continue to watch what we do with these kids. Hey, peace.